So good morning everyone. Good morning everybody. Happy New Year. Today is January 1, 2024 25. So this is my poor baby Mela. So today's video is kararating lang ng bagahe ng aking employer kasi naiwan to sa connecting flight from Switzerland. So galing sila sa sa England, sa United Kingdom, and then nagpunik sila sa Switzerland to Singapore. So ito po yung bagahe, yung found property. So nahanap, nandito na po sila sa Singapore. Tapos nung dumating sila sa airport, naghihintay sila ng luggage. So walang luggage na lumabas. So tinawagan yung ano tawag doon, yung luggage ay nandoon pa sa Switzerland, hindi na transfer sa connecting flight ng Singapore Airlines. So dumating yung aking amo is December 30, 7:30. So ito ay New Year sa eroplano. So dito po yung details. Kaninang umaga lang lumapag ito, January 1, 2005, 9 a.m. Tapos hinatid agad dito ng 10:50 at mayroon po akong sign. So yan, 2 baggage. So yan na guys. So tataya ako sa 4D. Lucky number is 1126 or 1263. Yan guys. Yan na. So pag sa Pinas ito guys, abutin siguro yung bagahe na 1 buwan bago i-send sa bahay. So dito parang ilang days lang, 1 day or just 1 day or 2 days. So walang 2 days ata. Yan guys, so yan ang aking security. Hello Mela, how are you Mela? How are you today Mela? How's your New Year? Are you tired? Because yesterday you sleep very late at 2 a.m. And this one guys, so pagising ng amo ko, magulat na, nandito na yung luggage nila kasi tulog pa po sila. Thank you for watching. Yan lang. Bye.